preserve it, nurture it, and help it grow. And that, by that I mean our youth, our kids, the ones who are going to hold the flag up in the future. If they don't have a positive upbringing, a great knowledge of what is out there, the future that is in front of them is going to be bleak without all that. So, having taken this up, it's an incredible cause. I was tied to it the moment Rahul spoke to me, and I saw tears in his eyes when he talked about the kids and the kind of hardships that they have to go through. So I'm there for him whenever he wants me, in whatever capacity he wants me to be. As far as the instrument is concerned, it's my last link to my father, my teacher, my guru. But letting it go for this is something I do with immense pleasure, because it is important that what Rahul does, is doing, becomes a success, that it happens. Our future of India in some ways depends on it. So that's all I have to say. My great friends who I performed with, when Rahul Bhai asked me for the set, I said, well, you know, you can give a tabla set and maybe it will mean something to somebody who plays tabla, but maybe it might mean something more if it has the vibrations, the love, the blessings of so many great musicians from all over the world into it at the same time. Then it becomes a very special and unique, positive piece. And so I took it on tour with me. I had actually put it aside because I had been playing on it and it was getting a little bit worn. But then I took it on tour with me, and I asked all my musician friends like Carlos Santana and Herbie Hancock and Wayne Shorter and Cindy Blackman, so many, Dave Holland, great Marcus Miller, great musicians, the best in their field. And I said, this is what my friend Rahul is doing, and would you sign this so that it would mean something to somebody who might want it? And they said, not only we will sign it, this is an incredible cause, and please tell Rahul Bose that if he needs us in any way for any help with this, that we will be available to, you know, participate. So that I'm conveying now in front of you all. And thank you really for making us a part of this, because this is something so special that it makes my life, my music, my connection to India and my hope for the betterment of India valid. You know, it makes it that there seems to be a light at the end of the tunnel. So thanks again.
Thank you, Zakir Bhai. Before Sunil leaves, just hold it up, and then I'll take you through the brochure on the PowerPoint after Sunil leaves. Zakir, just open to your page now.
I'll open to this page. There's some strange guy up here.
No. Open the Zakir's page.
No.
Come on, it's fun. It's the fifth or sixth one. Come on. You ready? It's a fantastic page. There we go.
Yeah, there it is. It's me.
No, Mr. Zakir. Yeah. And one with it shut, perhaps? Yeah, one with it shut. Thank you. Mustar Khairabadi, my father, Jan Nisar Akhtar, my own, and Zoya and Farhan. It's all handwritten. It's pages of the notebooks that have been brought out and have actually been framed for us. When I asked Shabana, she said, who wants my national awards? I said, what about scripts? She said, I don't have any scripts anymore. She said, one thing I have, I got the gold medal for... I said, Lagan ka ek script. He said, nee, script se zyada, I'll give you this. So of course, this is going to be a big draw. R.K. Lakshman, थे तो अपने ही हैंड के साथ एक काले पेन के साथ वो कार्टून बनाते थे और पीछे जो लिखना था लिखते थे पेंसिल में। वही है, हमें मिला है एक 1950s से, एक 1960s से, एक 1970s से, एक 1980s से, एक 1990s से और एक 2000 से। एक एक मैंने चुन के दिया है कि 6 decades of the common man, hand drawn। जुबिन मेहता, मैंने उनसे पूछा तो लॉस एंजलिस से उन्होंने ये बटन भेजा, इट्स अबाउट दिस लॉन्ग, लेकिन जो वजन है इससे भी कम है। वेरी वेरी लाइट एंड इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल पीस।
Rohit from media. Good afternoon, everyone. From Pro Bollywood, exactly. Yeah. Okay, sure. So no doubt, Rahul, Indians have been making news all over the world for their talent and ability, intellectual ability all over the world. So what exactly this idea of India, where this originated, and how and when this came up to your mind, and what are the main things you are going to do with this initiative?
So I've actually answered all those things earlier on, but I'll just संक्षेप में मैं कहूँगा, the idea of India is an auction to showcase the brilliance, the genius, the vision and the compassion of 16 of the greatest Indians in their fields. Through that, we also uphold an idea that we at the foundation work very hard for, which is inclusiveness, compassion, generosity, and a sense of treating everyone the same. So that is the commonality between this auction idea and the work we do as a foundation.
Any more questions? Hi Rahul.
Come in front, we can see.
I'm just recording so I can't.
Okay, sorry.
आपने कहा कि पूरे साल में आप 6 बच्चों का सिलेक्शन करते हैं, किस मतलब एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन के हिसाब से वो करते हैं कि क्या करते हैं आप?
नहीं, हमारे 6 स्टेजेस हैं। फर्स्ट, सारे जो स्कॉलरशिप के लिए एप्लीकेशन करते हैं, दे सेंड अस एन एसे एंड अ ड्राइंग। Top 10% will do an entrance exam into the school that they are supposed to get admission into, which is a maths and English entrance exam. Top 10% of that, we do group games and discussions, and we test the children for compassion, generosity, sacrifice, resilience under pressure, leadership, articulation. Top 10% of them, the final 20 kids, a 5-member panel meets them in Srinagar like we did for Kashmir, or in Port Blair like we did for the Andamans, or in Imphal like we will do for Manipur. And the 5-member panel finally chooses out of the 20 children. We meet the children, we meet the parents. We spend 40 hours with them over 7 days and finally choose the last 6. The most important is those children must love their motherland, not India, Manipur, Andamans, Kashmir. They must love where they come from because they have to go back. And second, they have to have just a basic compassion and a warmth of spirit. You can't teach children that, they have to have it. So that if they have, then academics and sports and all that, that great schools will look after children.
कोई particular age group के बच्चे आप select करते हैं?
बिल्कुल, standard 6. Standard 6 onwards. So standard 6 to standard 21 or so 15, whatever, till your MBA or whatever it is.
आप दोनों से सवाल है कि आप दोनों बहुत ही सेंसिटिव आर्टिस्ट हैं